packing box, manual, storage bag, multimeter, temperature line, pen, data cable, USB charging display. The red light is on to indicate that it is charging, and the green light is on to indicate that it is fully charged. High quality silicone wire is resistant to low temperature and freezing. High temperature resistance and not damaged. Use the multimeter normally. Tip stainless steel needle for measuring small components. DC current. AC current. Diode. Buzzer. Frequency. DC voltage. AC voltage. Non-contact. Zero wire recognition. Temperature. Capacitance. Short discharge is required before measurement.